Module Overview. Tourism destination development and planning is a critical pillar in the foundation and sustainability of a thriving tourism industry. This module delves into the comprehensive, multidisciplinary processes involved in transforming a place into a competitive, appealing, and sustainable tourist destination. It explores strategic planning, policy frameworks, development cycles, infrastructure, environmental considerations, stakeholder collaboration, community involvement, and branding mechanisms. Effective destination development goes beyond mere physical construction. It requires a holistic integration of socio-economic, environmental, cultural, and institutional factors. This module critically examines the life cycle of destinations, the planning tools used by tourism planners, the challenges of over-tourism and under-tourism, and the importance of adaptive, inclusive, and long-term planning strategies. Furthermore, the module analyzes destination competitiveness models, the role of destination management organizations, DMOs, and placemaking principles to ensure that both tourists and host communities benefit from tourism activities. 4.1. Defining tourism destination development. Tourism destination development refers to the planned and strategic enhancement of a geographic area to attract and sustain tourism activity while maximizing economic, social, and environmental benefits. It involves product development, attractions, amenities, services, infrastructure enhancement, accessibility, improvement, branding and positioning, policy formation, sustainability, and preservation. A destination may be a city, region, country, or transboundary area unified by a unique identity. Tourism product offering and visitor experience. 4.2. The Destination Life Cycle, TALC model. Developed by Richard Butler, 1980. The tourism area. Life cycle, TALC, outlines the evolution of tourist destinations in the following stages. Exploration stage. Small number of adventurous tourists. Limited infrastructure. Host-guest interaction is authentic involvement. Stage locals begin offering services. Infrastructure development starts. Increased government interest. Development stage influx of investment and tourists. Mass tourism and commercialization. Branding emerges. Consolidation stage. Tourism becomes dominant in the local economy. Environmental and social stress begin. Stagnation stage, destination. Loses novelty. Declining visitor numbers, overcapacity, and environmental degradation. Decline or rejuvenation. Destinations either innovate and reinvent or deteriorate. Understanding this model helps planners intervene at the right time to preserve competitiveness. 4.3 Principles of Tourism. Planning. Tourism planning refers to structured processes through which stakeholders organize resources, space, policies, and infrastructure to meet tourism objectives. Key principles include sustainability, ensuring long-term benefits and ecosystem balance. Community participation, inclusion of locals in decision-making. Carrying capacity, managing the volume of tourists that a site can handle. Diversification, offering multiple experiences and products. Flexibility, adapting to evolving trends and risks, e.g., pandemics, climate change. Zoning, spatial planning for attractions, accommodations, and services. Heritage preservation, protecting cultural and natural assets. 4.4 Destination development components. Attraction development, upgrading or creating cultural, historical, and natural attractions, e.g., renovating museums, building amusement parks, preserving heritage sites. Accessibility, efficient transport networks, airports, roads, rail, visa and border policies, wayfinding and signage, amenities and facilities lodging, restaurants, medical services, banks, Wi-Fi zones, safety and sanitation infrastructure, ancillary services, tour guides, interpreters, shopping, entertainment, souvenirs, human resource development training and capacity building for hospitality and tourism workers, policy and regulation, zoning laws, licensing, building codes, environmental standards. 4.5 Destination planning process. The planning process includes resource inventory and assessment, identify existing attractions, community assets, natural features, market analysis, target market segments, preferences, behavior trends, goal setting and visioning, establish long-term objectives and sustainability metrics. Stakeholder engagement, involve local government, businesses, residents, NGOs, strategy formulation, define development corridors, transportation hubs, tourist circuits, implementation and monitoring, develop action plans, budgets, timelines, and performance indicators. 4.6 Role of stakeholders in destination development. Stakeholders include government bodies, create policies, fund infrastructure, private sector, invest in hotels, attractions, tours, local communities, custodians of culture and environment, NGOs, advocacy and environmental monitoring, academia, research and skills development, tourists, demand generators and experience consumers. Stakeholder collaboration ensures social license to operate and reduces conflict. 4.7 Risk management and environmental planning. Tourism development must incorporate risk management strategies such as environmental impact assessments, EIAs, disaster preparedness, e.g., flooding, landslides, pandemics, climate adaptation, e.g., coastal tourism vulnerability, crisis response frameworks. Smart destinations incorporate green infrastructure, waste management systems, and carbon-neutral practices. 4.8 Destination competitiveness. Models, Dwyer and Kim Model, 2003. This model suggests that destination competitiveness is influenced by core resources and attractors, heritage, culture, climate, supporting factors, infrastructure, HR, accessibility, destination management, branding, marketing, service quality, situational conditions, economic, political, technological context. Destinations must consistently innovate, invest, and position themselves to maintain market relevance. 4.9 Placemaking and branding. Placemaking is the art of crafting an identity and sense of place for a destination that resonates with visitors and locals. It involves cultural storytelling, iconic landmarks, local cuisine and traditions, art, events, and festivals. Successful destination brands evoke emotion, authenticity, and aspiration, e.g., Incredible India, Pure Michigan, Visit Dubai. 4.10 Measuring success in destination development. Key performance indicators, KPIs, include tourist arrivals and spending, average length of stay, visitor satisfaction, local employment rate, return, visitor rates, environmental quality metrics, community attitudes toward tourism, learning outcomes for Module 4. By the end of this module, you will be able to explain the process and components of destination development and planning, analyze the tourism area life cycle, TALC, and apply it to real-world destinations, identify and evaluate stakeholder roles in the planning process, develop sustainable and strategic destination planning models, understand branding, risk mitigation, and success measurement tools in tourism.